Akkadian, Assyrian Neo-Aramaic. Akkadian is an extinct East Semitic language, once spoken in ancient Mesopotamia, including regions like Akkad, Assyria, and Babylonia. It was used from the 3rd millennium BC until the 8th century BC, when Old Aramaic gradually replaced it. Named after the city of Akkad, Akkadian is the earliest documented Semitic language and was written using the cuneiform script, which was initially for Sumerian but later adapted for other regional languages. The close contact and prestige of Sumerian significantly influenced Akkadian's phonology, vocabulary, and syntax, leading scholars to describe their relationship as Sprachbund. Assyrian Neo-Aramaic is a modern Semitic language that evolved from Classical Syriac, a descendant of Middle Aramaic, widely used in early Christian texts and liturgy. Spoken primarily by the Assyrian people in parts of Iraq, Iran, Syria, and Turkey, as well as in diaspora communities worldwide. It belongs to the Northeastern Neo-Aramaic group and is written in the Syriac script. Known for its complex grammar and rich vocabulary, Assyrian Neo-Aramaic serves as a vital aspect of Assyrian cultural identity, with ongoing efforts to preserve and promote it through education, media, and community initiatives.
Ishten, Kha, Shina, Tre, Shalash, Tla, Erbe, Arpa, Khamish, Khamsha, Shedish, Eshta, Sebe, Shavva, Samane, Tmanya, Tishe, Etja, Esher, Isra. Abuni Sha'ina Shame Vashibu, Shum Kalit Takrab, Baband Bishmaya, Pashim Kuchashemuch, Sharutu Kalitiam, Eli Erzetim, Malaina Shame Libba Kalik Kashid, Atya Malchuituch, Oyed Brezayuch, Dagd Bishmaya Ub Arra, Umam Kurumnatani, Shashutuku Idnania Shishu, Harlan Lachmad Sunkana Udiyuma, Ukhituni Zukinyati, Kima Shunuti, Sha'ananyati Ikhatu, Zukashunuti, Ushuklandainan, Dacht Ubachna Shveklandainan Daran, Uanali Biarnim Laterednyatima, Ishtu Lemutim, Shuzibnyati, Ulama Varetlan Juraba, Ella Pasila Man Bisha. Amin.